The second option that we will discover under show values as calculations is going to show us the row total. Let's insert a pivot table and create the structure region on the rows shelf, product category on columns, and sales on values. Right now, I would like to analyze the structure of the product categories distribution for each region. This means that for central on the grand total, I would like to see 100%. And the same situation for all of the other regions. And because this is the row analysis, because I have my central region on rows, what I'm going to pick from the show values as option is the percentage of row total. And this is going to produce 100% at the end of every line, but also the grand total distribution for the whole database without any regions. We can once again format the numbers we have in here to maybe avoid this time the decimal places. And what is more, we can think in this and also in the future exercises what would be the best way to visualize the data in here. We can try, for example, to insert 100 stacked bar chart, which is always going to show 100%, but in this scenario actually also a normal bar chart stacked would also give us the 100% at the end. And what is more, we can, for example, turn on the data labels. We can increase a bit by formatting the data series, the distance between the bars, for example, applying the gap width about 75%. As usually, we can add the chart title in there and turn off unnecessary buttons and place maybe the legend as usually above the chart. At the end, let's add a title like product category shares in regions. Every region equals 100%.